Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, May 8th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory here, coming off a pretty impressive performance, if you remember. Back on Friday, all three U.S. markets to the upside in a big way heading into the weekend. Here's how things are setting up right now ahead of more key inflation data to come this week with CPI and PPI for April later in the week. 0.17 right now for the S&P, about 0.2 for the Dow. NASDAQ kind of flat, some tech lagging a little bit so far here early on this morning. 2.7 there for crude oil. It's actually a lot higher than that. Looks like that number needs to be refreshed. It was about 6% at one point for oil futures. Big move down here for both Bitcoin and Ethereum on some Coinbase headline, or Binance headlines, I should say, coming not only late on Sunday, but early Monday. Binance halting withdrawals of Bitcoin for multiple hours at a time. We'll touch on that coming up. Overall, that's how the market is setting up right now. That's the S&P. Yeah, big green candle on Friday. We didn't test those highs yet for the S&P 500. If you look at the NASDAQ, meanwhile, we are right at those highs once again for tech. So a little bit of profit taking maybe coming into play here. Regional banks back in focus. Nice green candle for PACW on Friday. We're a lot higher than that here Monday, about 30%. At one point in the pre-market for PACW. They cut their dividend by 98% on Sunday. So we'll talk PACW, WAL also catching a little bit of a bid. Yeah, Coinbase downside here this morning. The CEO on CNBC this morning coming out saying that they may or may not leave the U.S. market. Kind of walk back those comments a little bit. They did say they're checking out the UAE as a possible destination for a secondary hub for coin. Crypto stocks in general, though, downside. Yeah, Binance halting Bitcoin, as I mentioned, withdrawals for hours on Sunday and then again early Monday. But overall, both Bitcoin and Ethereum, as we saw, downside in a big way. OXY on watch here, but not only that, crude oil, as I mentioned, with a big move to the upside. So all energy stocks higher at their annual shareholder meeting on the weekend. Warren Buffett saying Berkshire will not go above that 23% ownership stake in OXY. So OXY actually downside on that this morning. AAL with a nice move. JP Morgan with an upgrade on AAL this morning. Amazon we'll talk about as well. Back to the upside. They're going to use or create an entire team to generate photos and videos for advertisers using AI. Tesla back in positive territory as well, coming off a nice move on Friday following those preliminary Chinese delivery numbers from last month. Grab that watch list, guys. Use a QR code, bottom right corner right now. Watchlist.TraderTV.Live. We'll get it done for you as well. We'll see you at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.